In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox error 267. Now to do this, first what we want to do is make sure we're using our standard browser right here. Mine is Google Chrome. You can come down here and search for default apps. Open up this one and check web browser and choose the one that you use. Like I said, I use Google Chrome, so this is my standard browser. Now, if you come here, what you want to do is come down here, right click on your browser and press exit to close it completely. Now for this demonstration, I'm just gonna put it like that. But what you want to do is right click on it and exit. Now, once you've done this and you have made sure that it's your default one, what you want to try and do as well is come down here and search for Task Manager. In here, you want to look for anything that's like an ad block or a game launcher. So that would be Epic Games, Steam, anything like that. So look in here. If you have Steam open, you can go to details, sort by the name, press S, Steam. Okay, I don't have any Steam open. E, Epic Games, also no Epic Games. So what you want to do is just come in here. And another thing you can try is check at your Chrome extensions. Click here, go into your Chrome extensions. And as you can see, I have ad block. So you want to remove ad block if you have ad block. So make sure you don't have that on. Now, another thing we can try is make sure we disable our antivirus. So if you have in here Task Manager, if you have any antivirus running from in here, you can close it down by ending the task. Now, as a last resort, what we want to try is come down here and search for Firewall. Come to Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app. From in here, you want to change settings, allow another app, then you want to find your Roblox folder. Now, I already have Roblox added, but if you want to do it, you can go here, browse, come to your where you have Roblox installed. I think mine is on the D drive, Roblox. And from in here, you want to go on versions, the latest version, and you want to choose any of the Roblox. Now that's basically how you can add that one. Make sure you have it, make sure both are ticked, and then press OK. Now after you've done all of this, it should hopefully work. Otherwise, you can try and restart your PC. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.